So today we'll work on HTML and CSS. Just after the S2 tag, add the form tag. Inside the form tag, add an input tag with the type text. Add placeholder name, ID, name. Then add text area. Instead of name attribute, add placeholder comment, ID comment. Finally, add a button tag. The name of the button is submit. Also add type equals submit and ID submit. Save the changes. To check the preview, right-click, click Open with Live Server. New tab will automatically open and you can see the preview. Just a quick note, in order to see this live preview, you need an extension called Live Server. Make sure you download and install them if it is not. Now let's work on the CSS. So open Style the CSS. First, add a universal selector, which is the asterisk symbol. This means it targets all HTML elements on the page. Here, add margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing border box. In the body, add the background. Font 16px is the font size, 1.6 is the line height, and Roboto sans serif is the font family. Then add padding 3%. Check the preview and we can see some changes. Now let's keep everything in the middle and add white background. So in this post data, add margin 0 auto, background has FFF, border radius 10px, max weight 500px, and padding 20px top, 40px left and right, and 40px at the bottom. Check the preview and this time it looks much better. Now let's style this title. So in the S2, add font size 26px, margin bottom 40px, padding bottom 20px, and a border bottom. Check the preview. Title looks good, but there is some spacing at the left and right. This is because I have added padding at the parent div. There are several ways to fix them, but I will use before pseudo element. Here, add content without any value. Add background, height 1px, left minus 40px and right minus 40px. This is the same padding value we added in the parent div. Then add bottom 0 and position absolute. When we use position absolute, we need to use position relative in the parent div. So remove the border bottom and add position relative. Check the preview, and this time it looks good. Now let's style the input and text area. Here add font 18px font size, 1.6 line height, and Roboto sans serif font family. Add width 100%, padding 12px, border 1px solid, has 666, border radius 10px, and margin bottom 20px. Check the preview. Looks good. But let's also remove the outline. So in the focus state, add outline none. Finally, let's style the button. Here, add the background, border 0, border radius 10px, width 100%, color padding, font 18px font size, 1.6 line height, and Roboto sans serif font family. Also add the cursor pointer. In the hover effect, add opacity 0.7. Then in the button, add transition, opacity 0.3 second ease. Check the preview. Now style wise, everything looks the same. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on JavaScript. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.